In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Replit for coding and building software. We'll keep this simple and practical. First, open your browser and head to the Replit homepage. When the homepage loads, you'll see a clean workspace with panels for files, output, and tools. Don't worry about every button you see. For this walkthrough, our focus is the chat box, which is often labeled AI or. This is your co-pilot for writing code and shaping a project from an idea into working software. Go ahead and click on the chat box. Think of this space as a conversation with a helpful developer. You can type actual code if you already know what you want, or you can write a prompt that clearly describes the software you're trying to build. The more specific you are, the better the suggestions you'll get. When writing a prompt, start with the programming language and the purpose. For example, create a Python script that reads a CSV of sales data and outputs the top 5 products by revenue. Add any constraints like performance needs or style preferences. Keep it under 100 lines, include comments, and avoid external libraries unless necessary. If you already have pieces of code, paste them in with a short explanation of what each part is supposed to do. If you're not sure where to begin, ask for a minimal starter template and a brief plan. Give me a starter structure for a Node.js API with one get endpoint and explain the file layout. Be explicit about inputs and outputs. Share a tiny sample of the data you expect. Describe the exact format of the result and mention any edge cases. If you care about version details, include them in your prompt, such as the language version or a library you prefer. You can also ask for trade-offs and reasoning. Explain why you chose this approach and how I could extend it later. Treat the chat like an iterative loop. Read the response carefully, then follow up. Please refactor for readability, or add basic error handling and a short test. If something isn't clear, ask for a plain language explanation of a function or a step-by-step breakdown. You can request comments in the code or ask for alternative implementations to compare. A quick safety note: never paste secrets, tokens, or private data into the chat. Use placeholders instead and keep credentials in environment variables. That's it. By starting at the Replit homepage and using the chat box thoughtfully, you can define your goals, shape your code, and refine your software with clear, focused prompts. Keep iterating and you'll move from idea to working solution efficiently and confidently.